We believe that a balanced meal includes at least a drink, fruit and vegetables, and some starch. We also have to consider proteins, either from meat, fish, or, for vegetarians, from eggs or tofu, or a dairy product or pulses. You have to add a little fat to this mix. A balanced diet is illustrated differently from one country to another. In Switzerland, the food pyramid has several layers. The food on the upper story should ideally be eaten in lower quantities than those on the lower levels. The Japanese diagram is in the shape of a spinning top. It is different from other illustrations, as it includes the idea of physical activity through a person running on the top around a large glass of water. You will find a bowl in Guinea-Bissau in West Africa, or my plate in the USA. These diagrams allow you to understand the main principles behind a healthy diet, and also take on board the resources available in each country and the local cultural habits. Every country in the world can achieve a healthy diet, but each country does it in its own way. The differences can be seen in all food groups, but particularly in the starches. A traditional Swiss meal includes boiled potatoes, whereas an American meal would usually have chips, and a Mexican meal, corn tortillas. An Indian or Japanese meal often includes rice, while a meal from Mali may include a bowl of millet. If you consider the geographic origins of food, you can quickly see where these differences come from. Bearing in mind that corn comes from southern Mexico, it is not surprising, and it is even common sense, that a Mexican meal includes corn tortillas. Some countries prohibit certain kinds of food. For example, in India, you cannot slaughter cows, as they are sacred in the Hindu religion. The Quran and the Torah prohibit eating pork, as pigs are considered to be impure animals. Respecting these prohibitions plays a role in defining the identity of each community. Even where certain kinds of food are prohibited, the variety of food available to us should mean we can eat a balanced diet.